Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Silverado oil. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 6 to 8 quarts depending on your engine. Always use a new oil filter, specifically designed for your Silverado model, to ensure proper fit and filtration. Next, safely lift your Silverado using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for stability. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, which is typically found underneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it is snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Replace the drain plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the fill cap, typically 6 to 8 quarts, checking your owner's manual for the exact capacity. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking carefully for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Once you've confirmed there are no leaks, turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, check the oil level on the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Properly dispose of your used oil at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.